guys! Today I will show you another video of my unboxing with another Redragon keyboard. And you might ask me why? Why another Redragon keyboard? Because it's the only keyboard or brand that I saw in SM Downtown Premiere na mechanical. I mean, the others are okay. Pero I just think I just wanted to open or unbox or make a video out of a Redragon keyboard, which I already made. I'll link it down, up there. So yeah, and I also think it's the only thing that I can afford. Tapos yung iba, meron kasi yung iba kasi you can buy online, like the other keyboards. I also love. I want to buy them online. Kaya lang, usually I think about the warranty. They could say it's 6 months or 1 year warranty, but the problem is if it gets to you and walang let's say there's something wrong, tapos contact mo si seller, you will say there's something wrong with the keyboard, tapos pabalik mo, and then another shipping, another wait. I don't know, it's a little bit of a hassle. So I just bought something sa mall. So I hope there will be a lot of mechanical keyboards sa mall. Hopefully, maybe. I think it's getting trending. So this one is another. It's a Shrapnel. Okay, I'll just show you. By the way, I'm using my iPhone 12 Pro Max with this one for filming this video, and I hope you tell me how the video goes. Tapos I haven't tried this one for video filming, so I'll make another video for a review of how the iPhone 12 Pro Max films videos, or how the camera works. And I hope you can hear me well. Yeah, so let's go. You can see the label. It says they're high speed, high control, high response, dust-proof blue. So when it says blue, for all people out there who's interested in buying those keyboards or different keyboards, the blue ones are the most they have the loudest click, so it's the clickiest. So if you don't want the clickiest when you're actually use this at work or something like that, this is not the good thing to buy because it's gonna be so loud. But this brand is really good. So this is the Shrapnel keyboard. The first video I filmed, it was a bundle with a mouse, which looks like this one. But this box, it's much more expensive. It's like 2,450 no, 2,550 pesos, but just one keyboard with no mouse. So same, it is like glossy. And let's look at the back. Yeah. Wow, cool. Okay. Okay, so yes, it is a mechanical keyboard, and then if you want to replace it with other keycaps, you can. So yeah, so this is here. Then yung mga features, tapos in different languages. So yeah, this is high quality, double injection keycaps, full key conflict free, spill proof. Right. Win keys can be disabled in gaming. Okay. Alright, so let's go. To let you see. Sorry. Okay. It does include a Shrapnel keyboard and then the user manual, so it's not a bundle. Tapos, this one, the weight, yes, it's a bit heavy. It's just like, well, yeah, it's mechanical keyboard, so it really is heavy. So, let's go. Okay. So here, you remove the keycaps.
Okay, so what we need for that ito. Okay. Ouch. Wallet cards. Ano yun? Oh, okay. Wow! Oh my gosh, it has different. OMG! Okay, so they gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 free. Gosh, this is so nice. Okay, the red, the brown, the blue. Okay, 2 of them plus 1 black. Amazing. This is why it hurts when I touched it. Wow, okay, I love it. That's why it's okay, so look. See? It's blue. Wow, I can see everything. This camera is really nice. Thank you, iPhone 12 and Apple. Thank you so much. Also smart. Thank you. Anyway, look. Oh, can you hear that? I can. Plus, I like how cute the font of the keyboard is. See? Look at the font. It's so cute. Okay, so now it's time to try it. Let's go. Well, nakita ko lang sa loob ng bubble wrap. So, and yes, of course, the sticker. Yes, just 1. Sana dalawa. Okay, so you have the multimedia keys, which we can follow. Volume up, volume down, and then yeah, in different languages. You can have this in the manual. Plus backlighting modes. You have this one. I think it's the same with the other one. So let's just try also. It's just so cool. Let's go. Manual. Nakita ko lang sa loob ng bubble wrap. So, and yes, of course, the sticker. Yes, just 1. Sana dalawa. Okay, so you have the multimedia keys, which we can follow. Volume up, volume down, and then yeah, in different languages. You can have this in the manual. Plus backlighting modes. You have this one. I think it's the same with the other one, so let's just try also. It's just so cool. Let's go. Wow. Okay. Really cool. Nice. So yeah, you can hear it click, but the colors are so nice. It's so bright. So come on and let's see how this works. Okay, so we can use, if you're new to using mechanical keyboards, you have the backlighting modes and you can use them. Okay, this is for the FN was the insert, and then it's like breathing, and then you can try another version. Ooh, nice. Just 3 modes. Now let's use the home. So this one, every time you type, then color goes. Only the keys that we try to write. And then this one is like the row. Oh, cool. this one. It's bright. Also this. And this one is really cool. Rainbow color thingy. This could make me go crazy. I think this will change colors like really slow. Yeah, here it is. So, para sa akin, it's the Redragon is kind of budget friendly for a person who really wants to buy a mechanical keyboard. Just want to say, Redragon is not 100% mechanical keyboard. It's like I think 80%. So if you buy a pure 100% mechanical keyboard, it costs a lot. Okay. It will cost you like 5,000, something like that, until 10,000. Though, it's a really good keyboard. Plus, with this one, it's just cheap. It's not the usual, well, not the usual mechanical keyboard that you get. The Type-C connector. It's really cheap, but it's worth the buy. So I hope this video helped you decide on which keyboard to buy. And I tell you, it's really nice. Tapos it's not very noisy, unlike the first keyboard that I made a review. So I think this will really help me a lot. So yeah. Plus, I don't know why, but when I connected the keyboard, then the Epic Games just popped out. It is giving me a sign to play. So guys, I hope you like this video, and I'll try to give videos of some keyboards or whatever I can have. Tapos I can also give a review regarding this one for a month of use. Plus yung phone, I can give you a review if it's worth the buy or something like that, because the camera works really good. Thank you, and let's see. So it still lights up when it's on, when the light is on. So yeah, really nice, really cool. So see you next time. Bye.